What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be?
Oh, I was like, yeah.
Oh yeah. What do we got? Oh yeah.
San Francisco.
But no. But say the team name.
I don't know the team name. Panthers.
Okay. Okay.
The Cardinals, of course.
That's automatic.
Dad's favorite team. The Jaguars, right?
Okay. 3 for 3. Oh yeah. Come on, this is easy. It's a bird. If it's
the Falcons.
Yes, baby.
Really? I have no idea.
You're not gonna.
Winter Schnitzel. I have no idea.
The Commanders.
Really?
Yeah.
The fuck is a brown W?
Terrible
Raiders,
name.
obviously, because it says it. I hate when it stops. Oh, see, it stops. Oh,
That's a hard one.
It starts with a T.
Yeah.
The Titans. I don't know.
Nice, baby.
Really?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, wait. We're running out of time, and it keeps pausing like that. Okay.
You look hot.
Thanks. The Texans.
Wow. Well, we already practiced this the one time in my
We
house.
practiced it a long time ago. I remember.
Ooh, another bird.
It's not the Eagles. It's the.
It has an ocean, like not an ocean, but
The what?
like under. Where does SpongeBob live? Not in the pineapple, but
Under
like.
the sea.
Okay, so a type of bird.
A seagull?
No, a Seahawk.
Oh, that doesn't make any sense. I said the seagulls. How lame. I already did that one. That's so funny. I have no idea.
The Bills.
The Bills!
Full Bills. All right, this is
Screw that one.
Same thing.
I know, right? The
Come on,
Lions.
yeah. I was gonna say this.
The Brown W's. I don't know. Jets or something?
No, the other no.
The other one.
The other one.
The other one. One more. The Chiefs.
Wow.
Let's do another one.
She's so good. Wow.
One more.